If your car battery keeps dying or draining faster than usual, it can be frustrating and inconvenient. There are several possible reasons behind this problem. Understanding the common causes can help you find the right solution and avoid unexpected breakdowns. An old car battery is one of the most common reasons for rapid battery drain. Most car batteries have a lifespan of about 3 to 5 years. If you suspect the battery is the problem, you can perform a simple test. First, drive the vehicle for a day to ensure the battery is fully charged. Then, disconnect the negative terminal of the battery and leave it overnight. In the morning, reconnect the terminal and try to start the vehicle. If the car starts normally, it means the battery is not draining overnight. However, something in the car might still be using power. If it still struggles to start, the battery is likely bad and needs to be replaced. If your battery is nearing the end of its life, it is a good idea to have it tested and replaced to avoid unexpected breakdowns. If the battery cables or terminals are dirty or rusty, the battery may not be able to send power to the car or charge properly. This can make it hard to start the car or cause the battery to drain quickly. To clean the battery terminals, make a paste using baking soda and water. Then apply it to the terminals. Leave it for a few minutes. Then rinse it off with clean water. Use a battery terminal brush to scrub away any remaining dirt or corrosion. These brushes are specially designed to clean battery posts and clamps effectively. After cleaning, check if there is any improvement in how your battery performs. Taking a lot of short drives, especially those under 15 minutes, can cause your battery to drain faster. This happens because the alternator does not have enough time to fully recharge the battery during driving. Over time, this can lead to battery drain and make it harder to start your car. If possible, take longer drives to allow the alternator to fully charge the battery. Leaving the headlights on overnight or for a few hours without the engine running is a common cause of battery drain. This unnecessary power use can quickly weaken your battery. The alternator charges the battery while the engine is running. If it is not working properly, the battery will not get fully charged, even during long drives. A faulty alternator can lead to frequent battery drain and eventually prevent the car from starting. A fast-draining battery usually means something is not working right. If you check a few simple things and take care of your battery, your car will not die on the road. If you are not sure what is causing the problem, it is best to visit a professional mechanic for a proper check.